Hiya guys, today we're going to look at some Kung Fu Monthly Archive Series supplemental items. Definitely worth picking up, not expensive, that's what I like, as you know. We're known as the poor Bruce Lee fans, we are. We like good bargains. Right, here's a few Cole Fox items that he's bought out over the years. Supplemental to the Kung Fu Monthly Archive, so we'll get on with it. Right, we got the reproduction of the dummy poster. Comes in this nice folder there. A few of these items in there. Your certificate. Your replica of the poster. Fantastic. An A3 picture of the poster. Brilliant. Definitely worth picking up if you can get out of one. We've got the Bruce Lee treasure kit. Absolutely fantastic, like I say. They're all A5 size. The original ones were bigger. But it's brilliant to have a repro of them. Fantastic. Not expensive. The originals are very expensive. They're hard to get. There's one on eBay now. There's that poster that silly person spent all that money on. Signed picture of Bruce Lee. I don't know. Excellent. And he reproduced some the Kung Fu Monthlies, A5. They're exactly the same but smaller. Fantastic. Always pick up some decent stuff from the Kung Fu Monthly archives, and we've got the 3 Rise of the Dragon programs. I've never been to one of these, but I always try and pick up the programs when I can. Fantastic. That was the first one. The second one. And the latest one they did. I understand he's in the process of doing another one for this coming October. Fantastic. There's some more supplemental stuff he did for the release of the Secret Art. With this booklet before it come out. You got these pictures and a poster. Same with the Wisdom of Bruce Lee. These was all bought out beforehand. Great picture of Bruce in the library. Fantastic poster. Excellent. We got this one bought out. Got some pictures. Bookmarks. Excellent stuff. Notepad. More pictures. You can see. Very cool. The reproduction of the program of the first Bruce Lee convention, 79. Jeff Cummins artwork. And another poster. Fantastic. And then the first one he bought out was this booklet. Brilliant stuff. I believe you can get most of this stuff still, so definitely worth picking up. Not expensive. And as poor Bruce Lee fans, we'll try to keep you updated on bargains in the Bruce Lee collection world. Have a great day, people. And remember, Bruce Lee will never die. Ta-ra!